Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica, and as I promised and finally I have it, this is gonna be a video with the Ulta skincare kits that you saw already in the giveaway. But before of that, I want to ask you something, guys. I got lots of comments, but you need to check if your subscription is set to private or to public, because if it's not to public, I can see them and I can qualify you in the giveaway. So please make sure, I know many of you doesn't even know about that, but make sure your subscription is public so I can see you on my list. So I want to say thank you so much for that, and let's go in the video, actually in the unboxing. As I told you, in the giveaway it's gonna be this box with other products, and I got one for me, so you see two of them. This one stays for the giveaway and I'm gonna open, and let me show you what's in that one. I didn't know until now that Ulta has those kits and they are really affordable, but I'll keep an eye on them when they come. I got some of them on the store, some of them online. So they look like this inside, wrapped in pink paper. And also I want to say something else. Please apologize, my schedule excuse me, change. I'm on the run all the time, so no time for this. But let's see what's in this one. This one was the must-have mask, try me, and you get 5 products in here. So let's see what are those. The first one, it's formula 1006, I believe, Be Very Bright Exfoliating Mud Mask, and looks like this. So this is the first item in the mask kit. Lots of pink tissue here. The second one is this one, which is from Vichy, and this one is Argel Purified Pores, and let's see what's the actual size of this one. Is this little guy. So that's the second item. And then we have here, this is by FREEMAN, if I'm saying right, or FREEMAN, correct me. It's Beauty Infusion Cleansing Clay Mask. So looks like this. I think it's one use, because I think it's one use. So usually FREEMAN masks comes with between 2 and 4 usage. So, but this one I think is just for one use. And then we have here another one, which is SHEAMOISTURE, and this one is 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration milk mask. So this one looks like this. I used a face mask before from this brand and I really like it. And the last one in here, and those are really just samples. The last one in here, it's Ulta Beauty Smart Skincare Solution. It's pollution defense in pomegranate. So this is the mask kit. I would like to see some deluxe sample in here, but it is what it is, and this is this one. And then the second one, it's Try Me, Love Your Skin. This was, I believe, called Winter Skincare Kit number 1, and the next one is number 2. So this one looks like this. And let me find the one that is in the giveaway. Yeah, it's this one. So as you can see, 2 of them. One goes to the giveaway, and the other one I'm gonna open now. And inside looks like this. You get a $5 off coupon for any skincare brands that you have in this box. So if you wanna buy Mario Badescu, you can use the card. If you wanna buy Peter Thomas Root, And that's a good coupon because usually Ulta gives coupons just for the Ulta brand, whatever. So let's see what's in this one. I like the way it has the cover, so nothing falls off. And let's see here. First thing in here is the $5 coupon. The next item in here is this one from Juice Beauty Green Apple Age Defy Moisturizer. It's a good size. You get couple good usage from this one. And then the next item in here, it's from Peter Thomas Roth, and this one is Irish More Mud Purifying Cleansing Gel, and is this one. What I really like about this box, beside other boxes, is the fact that, I don't know if you can see, but you can get the item really easy. Because sometimes I had problems that I couldn't get an item out from there, so one plus from that point. The next item in here is this one from Exfoliating, and this is a face polish. It's a deluxe samples too. Then we have Mario Badescu Glycolic Acid Toner. Then we have from STRIVICTIN, I believe. This one is Intensive Concentrate for Wrinkles and Stretch Marks. I used this one before. I had 2 small samples. You know, stretch marks. Not easy to remove them. And then the next item, it's from Niakio, if I'm saying right. It's a shooting oil restore, which looks like this. And let's see what's the size of this. So actually it's a box in a box. Oh, and here we have this little guy. Being an oil is gonna last for a while, and this guy too. So is this one. And then we have 3 more items in this kit, which are, first it's Perricone Md, and this is face finishing moisturizer, is this size. Then we have here, what's this one? It's Murad Hydra Dynamic Ultimate Moisture. I'm using right now a serum, and I like it. I used last week another one, and what I have to say about Murad serums, they leave your face glowing like nothing else. And then the last item in here is this Moisture Barrier Eye Cream, and this is from Korean Beauty. It's from Godal, so is this one. So this is all in this box, in this kit. And let's call this skincare kit number 1, because they don't have a different name or something like that. And let me show you now the third kit and the last one that is in the giveaway is this one. I believe one is upside down, yeah, is this one. So we also have 9 items in this one too. I'll leave this one away. And let's open this one. It looks like my battery is gonna die pretty soon. And this one looks like this inside, and also has the $5 coupon off. Let me take the lid. And looks like this. So let's quickly see what's in this one. First we have Daily Microfoliant from Dermatologica. I hope you can see this. Then the second item in here is from Clarins, and this one is Total Eye Concentrate. Is this little guy. Then we have from Philosophy, Hope in a Jar. From Origins we have the Energy Boosting Gel Moisturizer, which looks like this. Of course, apologize for my nails, I didn't have time to do them. Then we have from Proactiv Green Tea Moisturizer. From Skin Iceland we have Blemish Dots, and in one of these you get 12. Is this one. And then we have here from First Aid Beauty, this is Intense Hydration for Sensitive Skin. Is this one. Also we have from Dermadoctor intensive vitamin C peel pads with ferulic acid and vitamin E. This one, and this one has 3 pads. And the last item in here, it's from Mario Badescu. Is this guy. And this is Glycolic Foaming Cleanser. So far in one box it's a cleanser, in the other box it's a toner. Not bad. If you watch my channel, you know that I love to use the same products from the same brand, if I have them, but because I'm getting so many samples, I usually have at least 3 or 4 items from the same brand. So this is all in the boxes that are in the giveaway, the 3 of them. And now I have one more box which is not in the giveaway because I found just one, and that one is this one. It's another skincare set, Try Me the Season Most Covered skincare sample, which looks like this. So unfortunately this one is not in the giveaway, and looks like this inside. It comes also with the $5 coupon off, and my camera is blinking, which means it's gonna die pretty soon. So the first item in this one is from ALGENIST, and this one is Eye Renewal Balm. The next item in here, we have something from Clarins too. This time it's not easy to take them out. Let me take the whole. It's this one, Clarins, and this is HYDRA-ESSENTIAL Silky Cream. It's a moisturizer. Then we have from Juice Beauty, this is Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. It's a good size, and I don't know if you saw the applicator for this one. And then we have from STRIVICTIN, again is the same item which was in the other box, is the intensive concentrate for wrinkles and stretch marks. Another Mario Badescu item, which is Botanical Exfoliating Scrub. This one. So far I have a scrub, a toner, and a cleanser. Love it. Then we have the Purity 3-in-1 cleanser. This one is my favorite cleanser. Don't ask me why, but it is. I have couple samples of this, and one of this lasts for about 1 week or 2 weeks, I don't know, but lasts a lot. And then we have from DR.BRANT, this one is Needles No More. It's a smoothing cream, which looks like this. It's a tiny sample. And the last item in here is this one from GOODAL, also Moisture Barrier. So I think this one came in another box, if I'm right. This one. Yeah, this one, the brand came in another box, but actually was an eye cream. So far we have a face cream and an eye cream, which is not bad. As I say, I love when I get the same products from the same brand. So that's all in this video. My camera is dying, unfortunately. Thank you so much for watching. Also, please make sure your subscription is not private so I can see it. Thank you so much for all the comments. For those who are new, I'm gonna leave the link to the giveaway video down below so you can check that out. If you like the products, please subscribe and enter the giveaway. That's all for now. I'm trying to get ready with the empties and it seems like that is gonna be a long video, or maybe I'm gonna do two of them, something like that, because I have a ton of products finished this month. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. You have a great day. Bye bye.